Hello, dear students. This is part 2 of chapter 11, How We Get Energy. In this part, we are going to see topic fuels. Now, the first question is, what are fuels? Fuels are things that we burn to get energy. For example, food, gas, kerosene, wood, coal, petrol, diesel, etc. Now, how do we use these things? Gas is used in gas burner or in gas stove. Gas burner you might have seen in your kitchen in which your mothers cook food. That is the gas burner. Kerosene, wood and coal. We use these fuel, we burn and get energy. Then after, as I showed you many examples for fuels, but I am showing you that we used to burn these things to get energy. Now what about these things like food, petrol, diesel? Do we really burn these things? Our answer is yes, we do burn these things also, these fuels also to get energy. Now the question is how? How do we burn? How do we burn food and how do we burn petrol and diesel? The food that we eat, it goes inside and burns inside our body, which gives us energy to do many activities. Like after eating food only, we get energy to run, to play and to do many works. Petrol and diesel, when it goes in a vehicle, it burns inside and provides energy to vehicle to run. So this is how food, petrol and diesel also burn and they provide energy to us. You might have heard this name petroleum. Now what is petroleum? Petroleum is a thick black liquid found deep underground. We pump it out and make petrol, diesel, paints, plastics and many other things from it. So petroleum is a thick black liquid. We cannot use petroleum directly in our daily use, but after getting it from underground, we need to purify it. And after purifying, we get so many items from petroleum like petrol, diesel, paints, plastic, etc. In this picture, these are some fuels shown over here like wood. How wood is burning and providing energy so that we are using this energy to cook our food. This is gas burner and this is petrol. From this pipe, petrol is going inside our vehicle to provide energy. Now, just like food and fuels, cells and batteries have energy stored in them. When we put them into a toy, a torch, a camera, or a cell phone and turn on the switch, they make electricity. The energy of electricity is called electrical energy. So just like food and other fuels, cells and batteries also provide us energy, and that energy is in the form of electricity. So that we call this electricity as electrical energy. The energy given by electricity is called electrical energy. Now, when we use a single part, we call it cell. But when we are using the plural form of this, means more than one cell, we do not call it cell. It becomes then after battery. So the single part is called cell and more than one if we are using together, we call it battery. Now, in this picture, you can see cell and battery together clearly. Since two cells are joined together, it is called as battery. This is a single one, it is called a cell. This is also a type of cell, known as a button cell. So cells are of varieties of designs. Many designs are there. Now, when do we use and how do we use these cells or batteries? This is our cell phone. This is called a cell phone because we use cell over here to provide energy to this phone. Toy car, torch, alarm clock, watch, camera, remote, everywhere we are using cell or batteries to provide energy so that these can work properly. Now, how do we get energy? From where do we get energy? The electricity carried to our homes by electric wires is made of in power stations. We use it for lighting and to run fans, air conditioners, irons, ovens, geysers, computers, and so on. My dear students, in your home, just turn around and look everywhere. Just try to find out how many things are there in your home that you run with electricity. You will find and you'll be surprising to see that maximum of your house materials, gadgets run on electricity. So this is what electrical energy. This electrical energy we get from power stations and we use it in various works. So this much for today. Thank you.